Hi, my name is Rachel Mincy Allender, and I am in my second semester in the IO Psychology graduate program. I'm born and raised in Miami, Florida, and I did attend the University of Florida, so go Gators. I'm currently in the United States Navy as a naval flight officer. I'm qualified as a senior evaluator and mission commander with the EP3 Ares, and I was stationed with VQ1 in Whidbey Island, Washington for 3 years. With them, I did deploy 3 times, mostly to the Pacific Theater, conducting ISR missions, and I was very lucky to have 3 great crews when I did that. Outside of my senior evaluator duties, I served a bit as the aviation safety officer and then the training officer for the naval flight officers. I then moved back to Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm currently with VP30, mostly as the P3, one of the P3 Orion instructors, as well as the command legal officer. Overall, I'm extremely grateful to have the opportunity to deploy with VQ1 and to be part of the last group to be able to fly the P3 Orion when the Navy retires it in the next couple of years. Some other things is my husband is also a Marine, so we do spend a lot of time traveling back and forth between Jacksonville and San Diego. We do have one dog who is kind of behind me. And then in my free time, I do like weightlifting and running really slowly to train for half marathons. Overall, I'm excited to be back in this class and moving on with my graduate program and working with all of you.